Hi there. You're looking at one of my internal doors inside my house, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the doorknob from that door. Okay, there's a close-up of the top of the doorknob. There's a little bit of a thing there, but that doesn't help you. What you have to actually do is turn the handle counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, and there's a little lug there which is actually underneath, but by turning it counterclockwise or anti-clockwise you can easily access that little release mechanism. Okay, so all you need to do then, there's that little slot there, and that little slot has got a metal tongue in it that you just need to get a little screwdriver and then push that little metal piece back, and at the same time pull on the doorknob, and the doorknob will be released. Might take a few goes to get it, but it's just a matter of pushing with your screwdriver, pushing it down, and then pulling back, pulling towards you on the doorknob. There we go. I think I've got it there, and pull it, give it a bit of a wiggle, and there we go. The doorknob has been released. And obviously if you want to remove the whole passage set, then you need to undo those screws and pull out the rest of the passage set. But today I'm just showing you how to remove the doorknob, and if you want to put it back on, just line up that little slot in the handle with the little piece of metal that pokes out, and push it home, and it clicks into place, and there we go, your doorknob is back in place. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.